Just introduce yourself in brief, and then I will give you the topic, and you have to speak on that topic for a minute. Okay, so keep the time limit always, and just share your ideas, like the factual ideas, the good ideas which you can share. So be careful at this time that keep the track of time. And the another thing, in a minute or 1.5 minute, whatever you will be sharing, keep this thing that give too much poses to your speeches. So with like, and when you will be speaking, your video should be on. This is a compulsion from our side that you have to turn on your camera while you are speaking. And if you do not turn on your camera, we will not allow you to speak. So this is very mandatory and compulsory for everyone that at your chance you will have to um, turn on your camera. So this is your topic: work from home, pros and cons. Okay, I think this is a very colorful topic, and you can speak a lot on this topic. So for the group discussion, student, please start their video, turn on their video, please. Shubham Panchal, Lakshit, Amit Singh Rathod, Bhavesh, Vishal, Mahipal.
So today's topic is work from home is good or bad. In my opinion, work from home is good because the more money is not spent by ourselves. The small money are have greater greater choice to find ourselves. The work from home is very important because some companies like TCS, Infosys, they are helping him to start their work from home. Currently, TCS are saying that into 2023 the whole company covered in work from home. So we start in work from home and we helps to company. Thank you.
I am also in favor with work from home because it provides the flexibility of time of our place because we and most of our expenses are reduced because we can work from our home. So our rent will not our rent money will be reduced, and it also provide the flexibility of locations. Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
And um, we can also live with our families because most of peoples are living out of the family. So I think work from home is better options.
Bhavesh Mali, and the topic for given discussion is work from home pros and cons. Firstly, by work from home, travel time will saved and people can spend more time with family. There is a beneficial for many, especially for parents of young children, and the location will not be a barrier. Employee can get a job even if their office located to the another city, and uh, and if they want to go their office and colleges better, they can attend the office at a regular interval times like once a week they can be go. And the disadvantage is that the leadership quality is being affecting as they are working from home. Some companies are giving so much work just because their employees are working from home, and the teamwork is a bit difficult while working from home. And working from home for a long period of time can hammer social and interpersonal skills. And thank you.
Good afternoon, sir, ma'am, and all the students present in the meeting. So, the topic of GD is work from home, and in the present era, it is very good that all the IT employees and others can work from home. They cannot go to offices, and the risk of corona is also reduced. And there are also many difficulties they are facing, that they have to buy the laptops or computer on. And even though for the online classes, the student who do not have mobile phone is not able to join the class and attend the class. So, and for the employees, it is good because they can work from home, they can do work from home, and as Bhavesh said that the traveling time is also being reduced. So and also company will give them more work that they are at home and they are not doing anything. So what they can do is only the work of the company. So it is not also good. They have their own life. So there should be the work should be in the limit and all the freedom also given to them. So that's from my side.
Work from home has both advantages and disadvantages. The advantages are that it can save time of transportation. We don't have to go for college, and we can save our 2 hours of traveling, and we can do something uh, our hobby in that time. So we make our new skills, and also we don't have to we have to spend our times more with families in that time. So this is the person can work from anywhere. He is sitting and he don't have to wear clothes of any school, college, or he can wear anything and work from anywhere with his suitable. mm, and The disadvantages are many people have area where the connection is slow, so then though they don't have a proper connection, so they lose this opportunity to get skills and work from home. That's all. Thank you, ma'am.
One negative impact from work for home is the weight. The weight is very high during the work from home. So to go from gym or some physical exercise to maintain yourself and good full life.
I agree with Amit. We are doing work from home from a very long time. It's been 1 year now, so many we have to gain weight and very lazy sometimes. Feel lazy, so work from home is also not very good for us.
The way the topics were given and the way the students have spoken, for the first time, I don't think it is bad. But definitely, whatever time they have, they should practice a little more. And like ma'am has been giving them tips in between, that whatever it may be, please don't stop. The topics are very common. You can speak anything, but don't give up. That is what the company is looking for, actually. Your confidence level and whether you can speak, think and speak or not. So content is not all that important. Content, of course, is important, but that is secondary. First and foremost is whatever time you are being given, you should be able to speak something on that. Something relevant, of course, but then something on the topic. One thing probably one can note down on this is that whenever you are given a topic, since you do not have much of the time, just mentally take a few seconds to reconcile your thoughts. That what am I going to speak? And when we reconcile our thoughts, I basically mean is in your mind divide into broad heads that, okay, if I've been given a topic like online education, then what are the points that I am going to cover? And the points can be, firstly, you can give a little prelude about education in a conventional manner. It will cover 20 to 30 seconds of yours. Then come on to what is online education? What do you mean by online education? Then come on to the advantages and disadvantages. Depending on the topic, of course, every topic may not have the same heads. And then finally, give your views, like in the case of online education, since we are witnessing it in a much bigger manner now with the pandemic, you can give that and conclude your talk. So I think if you divide a talk for an extempore, it definitely helps. So that is the only point I have. Otherwise, most of the students were able to at least speak something. So that is good. And secondly, do not speak too much. whatever time is given to you, even if you have more contents, please stick to the time. And when you have more contents, then be selective. Speak what is better. That means the contents which have more depth, choose that rather than just speaking everything that you know. That will also create a better impression on the listeners or assessors who are sitting there. As far as GD is concerned, one common mistake which I have noticed is all of you have repeated the GD topic. Now, everyone knows because the topic has been announced to all of us. So we need not to repeat that the GD topic given to us is this and this. In fact, 5 minutes you have, out of which if everyone announces the topic, about 2 minutes you are wasting in announcing the topic itself. So don't announce the topic again. Everyone knows what is the GD topic given. Straight away come to your point of view or what you want to say. I think that is all from my side, Arvind sir.
Some slightly better backgrounds rather than be at some place, but you might be having the technical issues that we can understand. Otherwise, you perform well. And when we are speaking in the GD, no need to ask to the panel member that can we speak, ma'am, can we speak, sir, because that is also waste of the time. In this GD we have given you the 5 minutes, but in the company GD with what we have got the idea that they are only giving 1.5 minutes. So you will not get much time to speak. If you will speak and you will take a permission for that, then everything will goes on for taking permission and going here and there. So you have to be concrete yourself and be with the topic and give your view as much as you can, and you have to be the volunteer. That is the major important part, right?